Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Today we will start with new set of CAMD assembly videos. Model we are starting today is tailstock of a lathe. So without wasting time, let us start designing. So let's start with part 1. Part 1 of a tailstock is body of a tailstock made up of cast iron. So in this sheet we look at the document number. So we have the side view and front view and top view of a tailstock. We have many number of dimensions, so we have to be careful. So let us start sketching. Click on sketch and select the front plane. So let us start by doing the base of the body. I'll be using my drawing sheet, so we can save time. So take a look at the dimension, and it is better to use the drawing sheet while watching this video. So let us draw a rough rectangle. Let us dimension it. Height is 25 mm and the total width is 150 mm. So let us use a new option, that is symmetry. So click on the axis and then click on the sides. So we'll have a rectangle on vertical symmetry. So let us extrude it. Here the length of protrusion is 242 mm. Click on finish. So let us now sketch on this surface. So we need to draw the legs of a base. So simply draw a rectangle. Go to smart dimension. Inner distance from the center is half of 76 and the distance between outer and the center is half of 108. So height of the legs are 20 mm. Click return. Before that, let us mirror the lines. So we'll have the two legs. Now go to protrusion. Click on both the profiles and just protrude it to length of 242 mm. Now in drawing we see that the legs are not continuous, so we have to remove this part. So go to sketch, select this surface. Here draw a rectangle. And in the sheet, the distance between both the sides is given as 37 mm. From here to here it is 37 and other side also it is 37 mm. Now click on return, go to cutout and select that profile, click on OK and just drag it. Now click on finish. So here it is shown 37 mm from both the sides. Now go to fit screen. Let me hide all those lines so it will be easier for us to draw the next profile. So we can see that the dimension of the top tube is from this end, so we have to make a reference plane at that point. So the distance between this plane and the reference plane should be 70 mm. So click on parallel planes, select this surface, top, enter the value as 70 mm. Now go to sketch, select this plane and draw a vertical line of 150 mm from this point here, base of the bottom of the base. From here draw, enter 150 and make it a straight line. Now at this point draw a circle of 62 mm diameter. Now click on return. Here we see that the length of the tube is 280 mm. So go to Solidedge, click on return, select the circle and just make it to, and then just type the length as 280 mm. Fit screen, OK. Click on finish. Now we need to draw this profile. So we can see that radius 28 is given at the bottom. So select the face of the base and now start drawing. So let us draw a circle of 62 here. OK. And again now select tangent circle, drag on the top line and at the end draw a circle of 28 mm radius. So the diameter will be 56 mm. Do the same on the other edge. Drag on the top line and just enter diameter as 56. That is twice of 28 mm. Now go to, that is here. It is shown that R28. Now go to align option. Click on the circle. Here we see that a pointer will come, which means that the line is tangent. Now touch the circle and just drag it to up, that is crossing the circle. So click on this. Similarly touch the top circle, just drag it up. So we will have a tangent. So draw a line at the bottom on the base. Now go to trim option and trim out all the unnecessary parts of a profile. Click on return, select that profile, go to protrusion, select the profile. Now go to second option here, that is protrusion from and to extension. Click this face from and click this face for 2. So we'll have a protrusion like this. Now we have to remove this part and this part of the protruded part or a profile. Go to Solidedge, click on sketch. Now select this plane, fit screen. Simply draw a rectangle by using the dotted lines to the top edge of a circle or a tube. The distance is given. Before that, let us draw this profile also. Just draw a rough profile. of the part or the profile which we need to cut out. Now we can see that the dimensions are given. So just please look at your drawing. So go to smart dimension. From here to here it is 38 mm, and from here to the bottom of the base is 38 mm. Distance between these two points is given as 44 mm plus 64 mm. Let us make a small correction. The distance between these two points here on top is 32 mm, and distance between this line and the bottom point is 44 mm. Now click on return, go to cutout option, select the two profiles, go to symmetry, just drag them. So we have the required profile. So here we have extra part of the body remaining. So to remove them, click on this face, zoom in this area, go to circle by center, and draw a circle touching the outer circle, that is 62 mm radius. Now draw the line somewhere from here to the tangent or the end of the line which you had previous. Here to the top end. Now go to trim and remove the upper half of the circle. So we can see that we have the profile like this. Click on return, go to cutout, select the profile, OK. Now go to second option, that is from to, click from here to this point or this face, click on finish. So let me hide all the sketches. So let us draw the fillets which are shown here. Check the drawing for the values. Go to round option, click on this face, this edge, enter 45 mm. Select this edge and enter 38 mm. This edge dimension is not given, so let us take it as 10 mm. These are given as 12 mm radius, so enter 12. Select all the edges or corner edges. Now we are done with the basic structure of a body. Here we have a hole which is provided to insert stud and a handle, so we can tighten the spindle of the tailstock. So this is at a height of 150 plus 35 from the top plane, so click that plane and enter 150 plus 35 because the total height is given 70, so we have to take half of that, so 35. Click on sketch and select the plane which you have inserted. Zoom in and now draw a circle of 40 mm dia as shown in the drawing. enter 40. Here we can see that the die is 40 and the distance from the edge, face edge, is 38 mm. Enter 40 mm. Select the circle and this edge and enter 38 mm. Now click on return. Select protrusion. And then enter the value 70 mm. So the height is given as 70 mm. Click on finish. Here we see that there is a opening of length 76 and gap 4 mm to a length of 76 mm. So go to sketch, select this face, at the center draw a line and go to offset. Enter 2 mm, that is 2 mm on either side. Now draw a line at both edges connecting the 3 lines. Now remove the center line and extra lines. Now click on return. Select the rectangle which we have just drawn. OK. Enter the length as 76 mm. Done. Hide this. Let me hide the sketches. Here we see that the tube which you have just drawn has a hole. Bottom it is 16 mm and top it is 22 mm dia. So let us select sketch and select the top. So let us first draw a circle of 16 mm and let us now only draw the circle of 22 mm also. Draw a circle of 22 mm. Enter 16 inner circle and outer circle to 22. OK. Now click on return. Here we say that the 16 mm is throughout. So click on 16. OK, and just drag it down. Next again click on cutout. Select the outer circle here and click enter 35 mm. That is till half of the length is it's 22 mm dia. Below that it is 16 mm dia. So we are done with the parts on the front side. So here there is a one hole which is made to place the feather key. So let us make that hole. So select the top plane. OK. Sketch and select the top plane. Now zoom into the front area. At the center draw a circle of 6 mm dia. Here find the center line. Okay, draw a circle of 6 mm dia. And the circle is at a distance of 25 from this edge. Enter 25. Now click on return. Just enter the height as 150 mm. So here we see that this it is up to that line, that is 150 mm. Enter the height as 150 mm. Done. So let us make this place which is given to hold the tailstock onto the lathe base, that is clamping plate has to be fixed here using a bolt. So let us draw here the outer die of the outer die is given as R31. Go to sketch, select the top plane, zoom into this area here. Sorry. Okay. Now go to circle, find the center, okay. Now here draw a circle of 31 mm radius, that is 62 mm diameter, into 2, that is 62. Okay. Now go here and draw a straight horizontal line. Okay, draw here. Before that, let me draw vertical lines. So click on the line, circle, and then enter here top. So make it straight and now enter minus 90 degree. Okay. Similarly on other side also, go to line, click on circle, adjust it like this, and now okay, click on angle and let me adjust that. So okay, adjust it like this and now enter minus 90 degree. Okay, now we have straight line, and connect a horizontal line, this edge here to here, and just trim out the unnecessary parts of a line. Now go to smart dimension. Here given that the center of the circle from this edge is at 44 mm, so enter 44. Okay. So we see that from bottom it is to a height of 45 mm. Go to protrusion, select the profile, draw it to a height, enter 45 mm. Now draw a hole of 26 mm on the surface of a protrusion which we just created. Click on the circle to get the center and draw a 23 mm diameter circle. Click on cutout, select the circle and just click on OK and just drag it down. Okay. So let me hide all the sketches. We are done with all this part. Let us move to this part here. So go to sketch. Here we see in the top view that there is a outer radius of 72 mm. So go to, and here something given as 12 mm. So I will tell you a shortcut here. So click on this circle, enter 76, draw a circle of 76 mm dia, 72 mm dia. Click on return, select the circle and protrude it to a length of 18 mm, which is shown in the drawing. Now in the drawing there is another diameter given as 86, so just ignore that. Now select this plane, go and zoom into this region here, go to circle, select the center of this line and just simply draw a circle of 12 mm dia, and here find the center of this line and draw a horizontal line. So go to revolve protrusion, select the circle, select OK, select the axis line, just rotate it, enter angle 360, finish. So we'll just ignore that 86 mm which is shown. So here we have to make a threaded hole at a pitch circle dia 56 mm and each hole is 8 mm dia. So let us draw a pitch circle of 56 mm dia, return. Now click on hole, select this plane. Now go hole property table, enter threaded, here enter the diameter M8, thread length is 12 mm. So here the length of a hole is 15 mm. Click on V bottom, select 90 degree. Now click on OK. Place that circle by using the dotted line at the center of this pitch circle. Click on return. So we have the threaded hole. So we need the 3 more holes like that. So let me hide all those sketches. So in order to make 3 more, go to pattern, click on pattern option. In the list, click on the smart pattern on the top and click on hole. OK. So for this it's not needed to use the smart pattern. Now draw a circle and just drag it down, again click. It's important to click, otherwise this will not be selected. So enter the value 4, it's already 4. OK. Now click on return. So here we have the 3 more holes. So we have total of 4 holes. OK. Now go to sketch, select this plane. We need to have a hole at the center. So 38 mm dia. Go to Solidedge, select circle, draw a circle of 38 mm dia. Click on return. Select cutout, select the circle and click on OK and just drag it out. So we have everything done. So we are done with the body of a tailstock. We have completed everything. Okay. Material used for the body is cast iron. So go to tools, material table, enter the material as cast iron. Then apply to model. Go to file properties. Go to file properties. Summary, title as body, and then go to project, document number 1, project name body. Then click on OK. Go to file, save as, save the file by creating a new folder. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching this video.